editing assembly constraints. So after we put in a constraint, we will probably have to edit it at some point. So we're going to go over to our browser bar, and I'm going to take a look at this top piece here. So that when I highlight, I can see that's part 5.2. So I pick on it, I hit the plus sign, and we can find the edit to this if we go underneath the origin. And we go underneath the origin, we see that it's an insert. So I pick on that insert. First thing that happens is I get a little edit menu, shortcut menu right here that displays, and this edit box is either A, shows up for our offset values, or it shows up for our angle values. And so, but I could always right click on any constraint, and when I right click on it, I can go to edit, and that will bring me to the full dialog box to whatever constraint it is. So I can look in in others. I can go, you can see there's an insert 1 and an insert 2 here. I can right click on it, I can go to edit, and I can go to that particular edit constraint. So always we'll have all of our assembly constraints in the part, under the part name, in the browser bar, but it's going to be under the origin. And we can right click on it and say edit, and we can actually edit any assembly constraint in our assembly.